Max, say I'm on the tractor.
I'm on the tractor.
Say hi, Papa. Hi, Mama.
Hi, Mama. We're going on the tractor.
Jace. Jace. Jace, look at Mommy. Hey, Jace. Jace. Hey. Here, let's go video the horses. Come on, Jace. Jace, come on. Lainey, say hi. Hi. Say I'm about to barrel race.
I'm about to barrel race.
Say hi, Bree.
Hi.
And that's my girlfriend, Kim.
Is this a good
Say hi, Kim.
Mom, is today a good day to
That's
ride?
Weston riding his horse. Okay. Hi, Jace. Jace. Say hi. That's Derek, our little neighbor kid that saved Jace's life when Jace was locked in the van. Say hi, Derek. There's the doggy running wild. Jace trying to chase the doggy. Okay. More later. Peace out. Say bye. Say bye, Papa. Max, say bye, Papa.